Hi guys, welcome to Excelophy's Excel tutorials. Today I'll show how filter data based class wise. Here is the range in which these are students of class 9th. Here is the first simple way to filter is copy-paste method. To do this, you have to hold the control key and select all the cells of class 9th one by one, as you are watching now in my video. After that, you can either press the Ctrl plus C to copy, or select the copy option from right-click menu. And now paste as value in the class 9th column. Similarly, we also select all the cells in the range for the class 10th. And again paste the select cells as value in the class 10th column. As you can see, the data has been filtered accordingly class-wise. It is simple but not so good for large data range, then you have to apply formula. So to do this, we select the filtered data range and delete it. Instead of this, we use filter formula using filter function, as you know that formula starts with equal symbol. So, equal, F-I-L, press the tab key to select the function from the suggested list menu. This is the function names, and this is array which means to be a range to be filter, and this is the include which is the criteria to be filter. So, first we select the range. Here in my data, range is B4 to B19. Here, we have selected the range as array, and now we will apply criteria which means includes according to function. As you know, I want to filter data according class wise. And the class is left side of the roll numbers range, so we use left function to choose 9th class only. We use left function in place of include. So, L, A, F, hit the tab key to select left function. Select the range as text to be used in left function. And here the number of characters for the class 9th is 2, so we write 2 on the place of numchars. And close the parenthesis and then equal, which means to be equal as character of 9th as text, between the double inverted commas. Press the enter key to see filtered result. Here is the filter result of class 9th students. Now, again use same filter formula. And select the same range as array for class 10th students. Again use left function for the class 10th. The text for this function is also range of all students. But here the number of characters is only 1. And should be the equal to single character of class 10th. Close the parentheses and hit the enter. Now the students of class 10th also filtered, these students of class 9th and these are of the class 10th. Thanks all of you for watching my video so patiently and carefully. So don't ignore me to subscribe my channel.